Let's add or change your channel icon and your channel cover photo. To start, open YouTube app. Then tap your channel icon in the top right corner. From here, you can switch channel, or if you are not logged in, you can log into your YouTube account. After that, tap your channel icon again. Tap your channel. Here you have to tap Edit Channel option. To change the channel avatar, tap the camera icon on your channel profile photo. Then you have two options. I will select the second one. Choose from your photos. Then you can select the photo you want. I will select this one. Then if you want to crop, you can crop it too. I will adjust the position. Then tap Save. Now your channel profile photo is uploading. You see, I have changed my channel icon. To change your channel cover photo, tap the camera icon on your channel cover. Then select Choose from your photos. Then I will find a photo to upload. Then you can select the photo you want to upload. Let me choose one. I will select this one. Like earlier, you can resize or you can change the position of your photo, or you can crop it too. Then tap Save. Now your channel cover photo is uploading. As well as if you want to change your channel name and description, you can do that thing from here. Let's go back. Let's refresh your page once. Then you can see I have changed my channel avatar and my cover photo. That's it.